And this is Keyless One. Yeah, just reporting. Letting you know I can't do a lot of car videos right now because the cold weather and the snow and stuff like that. But I'm trying to do my best to put out what I can. So hoping you can keep watching all the rest of videos I got for right now. I have a few new videos that I did a little vacation on, so I'll be posting those. I think I put one out already and I have about 2 more coming. So please watch, subscribe, and share the videos. Thank you guys very much for supporting me. You know, I'm a new guy here, so I'm just trying my best. All right, so keep safe, all the best, and I'll be back with more. All right, thank you very much. Keyless out for now. Yeah, snow still on the ground. So, man, can't really do much videos, man. This kind of boring. Yeah, it would be nice, you know, if we can do a lot of videos on them cars. They still park here. But this weekend we're supposed to get another snowstorm too. Yeah. Hoping it doesn't come too big. You know. So we can just do more videos. Yeah. Look at it. On the ground. Don't know when this is gonna go away. It's a beautiful day though with sunshine. Sun shining. Breeze blowing. Yeah. But the weather sucks. Need some Caribbean sunlight. Alright, so it's me again. Taking in some of this weather. After just coming back from the warm weather. Well, I guess it's something we gotta learn to live with. Yeah. So, I'll be back.